What's up guys, it's Flash. In this video I'm going to be talking about teaching Irish people to trade stocks, so stay tuned. What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless. Straight off the bat guys, I want to say please hit like and subscribe for this video. I want to thank you for your support as well. I'm going to offer a nice absolutely free giveaway. Whoever watches this video right at the end, you all win, so stay tuned. So in this video I want to talk about, I'm in Ireland, I trade stocks. You guys all know the story. There's no point in going into it because we all know the story. But the difference is that so many Irish people reach out to me, including people in the UK as well. Although they're not Irish, they're in the UK. But hey, I'm happy to help. Is how can I become day trader in Ireland? And the question is very daunting. First of all, and I've struggled to try get all these answers. So this video is quite simple and it's quite specific. This video stands for people in the UK and Europe as well. Okay, I'm just saying Ireland because I'm Irish, but it helps people in the UK and Europe. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to find a system that works in Europe. Okay, you cannot use any of the US brokerages. A lot of them don't let you use them, so that's no good. So the options you have are quite limited. Is SureTrader, TradeZero, TradeNet, and there's a few new ones coming on the market. They're your brokerage that you need to use, so you need to find a brokerage. Again, all jumping back forward a little bit is you need to find a course that suits. Now, to answer the question, all courses, no matter what you buy, once they're online, will work anywhere in the world. So you can be anywhere in the world and purchase any course online and study the course. So that doesn't matter where you are. So I definitely invest in an education. Whose it is, it's up to you on price point and on what kind of style they work off. Mic check. Then you kind of educate yourself and look at what brokers you use. I listed a set of brokers at the start of the video. That's really important. Probably your hardest mission. Figure out on the commissions, are you happy to pay the monthly charge that they charge you? Are the commissions too high? All this will have to be answered by you guys. Then you need to look at, well, what do I want to trade? Do I want to trade stocks, ETFs, options? You certainly don't want to trade Forex, that's for sure. No Forex. No Forex. You need to figure out what you want to trade, and then you associate a course that suits your style of trading and that suits the style of brokerage. So it's constantly working off a list of what suits what suits me, does this suit this. It can be quite daunting, like I said, to figure out all this information. If you can do what I just said, then you're on your way to becoming a day trader, no matter where you are in the world. It's not popular in Ireland. There's not a lot of people who do it. But I'm willing to help anybody who wants to get started, whether in Ireland, the UK, Europe, America. Anybody, I'm personally willing. You can ask people who've reached out to me in the past. I have no problem commenting, emailing me. I'll definitely point you in the right direction, 100%. So I wish you all the best on your journey going forward in the stock market. And I did promise you something free for this video. What I'm offering is a free mentoring call with myself, completely one-on-one, absolutely free, no deposit, no credit card, nothing. Just email me or comment on the video. We'll have a chat, we'll get you booked in. It's absolutely free, guys. It'll help you kind of find your way, get your point in the right direction. It's all to say thanks to you guys. Once again, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Good night and God bless.